Friends, welcome to Tamu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss our 15th question. What is that here? What is the 20th term if the end of the series, that is arithmetic progression, they are given that 3, 8, 13 and so on, and end of the term is, that is nth last term, that is 253. So we have to find how many what is the first term and what is the common difference, and we can find what is the next one. So first one, let's go into take what is the first term. The series is, so series is 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. So what is the nth term? That is the last term, 253. So what is the first term? This is 3. So a will be equal to, that is a1. So first term, what you can say, first term a will be equal to, first term a will be equal to 3, that is a1 will be equal to 3, whatever a will be equal to a1. Next, what is that common difference? So common difference is a2 minus a1. So a2 will be equal to 8 minus a1 is 3. So we can get it as 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So this is the common difference. Then what is the 20th term? So here they are asking that 20th term. So 28th term, that one you can take a20 will be equal to. So what is the nth term formula? So we should know what is the nth term formula. An will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 20th formula, that is a plus n minus 1 into d as it is. So a is the first term, that is 3 plus n will be equal to 20 minus 1 into common difference is 5. So 3 plus 20 minus 1 will be equal to, that is 19. So 19 into 5. So 3 plus what value you can get it here is 19 5 sir. So 45, again for 95. So we will get it as 98. So a 20th term will be equal to 98. So this is the way to find the calculations. 20th term will be equal to 98. This is, so here what is the series from the starting? So 20th term from the starting. So this is from the starting, 20th term from start. But they are asked question from the ending. So 20th term from the ending. So ending means this will become a. So 20th term from end. So as I told from starting, so from end means, so 253 will become, what is the first term? So what is a here? So this will become a. So a will be equal to 253. Again, so what is the common difference? So difference means we can get it as, so here 253, here positive 5 we got it. So it will become, let's going to take, the difference will be here, let's going to take, it is approximately, let's going to take a2 and this is a3. So this side, arrow mark is this side. So from the end means series will going to take it, this one will be 253 dot 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 13 8 3. So we can take a2 minus a1 or n minus 1, whatever it is, the difference of these two. So 8 minus 13, we will get it as minus 5. So this is the difference. So from the end, right? So from the end means the series will going to reverse. So that reverse will be 253 and so on. So and so on dot 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 13 a2. So this is n minus last term an minus 1 and an minus 2. So the difference will be an minus 1, whatever it is. So we will get like that. So difference will be minus 5. Then what is the 20th term from the last? That is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a20 from the end, a will be equal to 253 plus 20 minus 1 will become 19. D will be 5. So what value we will get? 253 plus 19 into minus 5. So reverse means it will going to difference will be negative. That is the case here. So that is 253. So what is that? Minus 95. So 253 minus 95 means 8. What value we will get it here? 13 minus and 14. 14 minus 9 will become 5. Then 158. So A20. Therefore A20 from end. From end of the end of AP, that is will be 158 series. So sorry, 158. So this is the way to find the calculations. As I told, this is the term from the starting 20th term and this is the term from the end. So you can get clarity by watching the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe